If you're interested in manifestation, if you're wanting to attract more money, more love, more peace, and more prosperity into your life, then you're going to want to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what the law of attraction is and how you can use it in your life to benefit you. Now, the truth is, whether you're aware of the law of attraction or not, you are always attracting things to you. Now, some of these things are going to be negative and some of these things are going to be positive. Now, what we want to do is we want to start using the law of attraction to actually be intentional and attract the things that we want into our lives. So let's say if you want to attract more money into your life, then what we've got to do is we've got to really break down what the law of attraction is and how we can start to change the amount of money that we're attracting to us. Law of attraction, in simple terms, is everything in this universe operates on frequencies, through vibrations. Now, it's the vibration that your body is in that's dictating the amount of money that comes into your life, the relationships that come into your life, and every single circumstance that is coming into your life. Now, if we want to change what we attract, we've got to change our vibration. Now, I like to keep it very, very simple. It's your thoughts that trigger your feelings. It's your feelings that trigger your actions, and it's your actions that are producing your results. Now, our vibration is completely controlled by our subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind is our emotional mind, which means it's the mind that we feel with. And feeling is a word that we made up to describe the vibration that we are on. Now, once you change your vibration, you change what you attract, because the law of attraction decrees that we can only attract what we are in harmony with. Now, why do most people stay stuck financially? Why are most people making the same amount of money year after year, even though they're getting smarter, they're doing more courses, they're taking advertising courses, and still their business results and their financial results are not changing? It's because they are letting their present results dictate their thinking, which is causing their feelings, which is causing their actions, which is producing their results. I mean, you go and ask the next 100 people what they earned over the past 5 years, and you will notice that every year is pretty much the same. Might be a little higher, might be a little lower, but they will always go back to where they're programmed subconsciously. So what we've got to do is we've got to be aware of the outside world, aware of our present results, but we cannot let our present results dictate our thinking if we want to achieve our financial goals. The first step to achieving financial freedom through the law of attraction is to rewire our subconscious mind like we already are financially free. So let's say, for example, we have a person who's earning £25,000 a year and they want to earn £25,000 a month. Well, they've got to impress that idea that they're now making £25,000 a month upon their subconscious mind. Once their subconscious mind accepts this new idea of £25,000 a month, it alters the vibration. Remember when I said your subconscious mind is in control of the vibration that you are operating on? Well, once your vibration changes, once your subconscious mind believes that you are now making £25,000 a month, your vibration changes. And that means that you're now attracting thoughts and ideas from the person that makes £25,000 a month. All you've got to do is stay in that vibration and you will attract the people, the situations, the circumstances, and the resources needed for you to manifest that £25,000 a month goal into your physical reality. This is very powerful stuff. The law of attraction decrees that you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So with anything that we want, we've got to convince ourselves that we already have it. And once we have it on a spiritual level, it has to manifest in the physical realm. If you follow this, it's super simple. I like to keep it super simple for you and also my clients as well. It's your thoughts, feelings, actions that are producing your results. If you change your thoughts, you change your feelings, you change your actions, which will give you a new result. But you've got to create a version of you that has already achieved your goals. So you've got to create a version of this person, and you've got to think like this person, feel like this person, act like this person, and also make decisions like that person. Remember, Everyone wants more money, apart from Buddhists, or there might be certain people that don't want more money. But the most of the population want more money. But the law of attraction decrees that you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So what are you right now? You've got to become the person in your own mind that is earning the amount of money that you want to earn. Then you've got to stay on that vibration, stay on that frequency, and you will attract everything that you need using the law of attraction. I hope this helped you guys. And if it did, please leave a comment. I personally reply to everyone, and make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I drop a new video. I'm Joe McLeod, and you have an incredible day.